There are times when you might cut up a continuous take.
The show starts in an hour.
I told you.
Picked up by the same microphone on the same track into two different tracks because they're two different characters speaking. In that case, you may not hear the need for a crossfade. For instance, these two clips, again, this is the same track. I just split it up because it's the two different characters. So without a crossfade,
I told you.
you're not really going to hear anything, but you want to put a crossfade in anyway. And the reason you want to is because we may EQ both these characters a little bit differently based on the characteristics of their voice. When you EQ their voice, you're also EQing the ambience behind them. So in that case, you might actually hear a shift because this clip may be EQ'd different than this clip. Even though they're the same microphone, two different characters talking, they have two different tonalities of their voices, and you may EQ them differently. So by putting a crossfade there, even though it's not necessary, that's going to help that shift that might occur because of the EQ be less apparent.
An hour.
I told you it needed.
The idea is you want to find a space where there's just silence to do the crossfade.